So at the very bottom, you have a little S Pen going on right here, right next to the charger. So what you can actually do is you can tap into the S Pen in the bottom left corner and watch what happens. It will actually output the S Pen. So now what you can do is you can go through and you can kind of pull out your particular S Pen like this. And what you can do here is you can start utilizing your S Pen. So now what you can do is you can go through and you can take a look at the S Pen in and of itself. So you have a little button on one side. So you can go through, click in and tap into this button. On the other side, you don't really have much else. It's basically like a plastic pen almost. The top basically clicks in and out, so you can click it in and out just like this, which is really cool. It's very satisfying. At the very bottom, it's a little tip, but there's a lot of computational power going on inside of this. So you can use it like a regular stylus. So if you want, you can go through and swipe between pages. As you can see, you can go through and open up certain things if you want to. You can click on the home tab. If you look closely and you hover over something, it'll actually hover over those widgets, and you can see that there's like a little like circular icon that follows everything. So it is actually really interesting. It's really, really cool. So you do have that type of capability. You can see all that stuff right here, which is something that's really awesome. So if you're into that kind of stuff, you can utilize this S Pen to basically take notes. And one really cool thing is if you're, okay, that was a loud noise. If you're like putting in your S Pen like this, right, you're inputting it, and let's say you take it out while the screen is off, you can actually just start taking notes right onto the main display. So right when the screen is off, you can just start writing notes and writing down things, and whenever you're done, you can just slide this thing back in, and it will basically save that note for you. How cool is that? That's a really, really cool thing, and you have that type of capability within your S Pen. One other thing too is if you go ahead and basically swipe up, and you swipe up, basically you'll have this little circular icon on the right side, so you can also tap onto here and you can get into some more of these quick toggles. So you can swipe around, you can start seeing your other quick toggles and quick settings that you have around here as well. And that is another really cool thing that you have the option of doing. So for me personally, I'm a really big fan of the S Pen. That's another really cool thing you have. Another thing to remember here with your Galaxy S26 Ultra